What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to guide you on how to set up Gusto payroll account. So first, open up your web browser and go to gusto.com. Now once in here, click on create account. Now once in here, fill out the form with your information such as your first name, last name. Also include your work email, the name of your company, how many employees you have, and the phone number of your company. Now after that, you need to set your password, and once you're done, you can confirm your password. Now once you're done with all these steps, you can click on create account. Now after that, you need to add your company details. Here, you will get a prompt to add your company's legal name, industry address, EIN, contact details, and bank account details for payroll processing. And also remember that if you have an accountant or bookkeeper, you will be prompted to add their details such as their names, addresses, and phone number. The accountant gets a prompt email to log into the account and create their login. Now after adding your company details, you need to add your employee information and compensation details. You need to input information about your employees such as their names and email address, tax withholding information, job titles, and employment type. Also, you need to input compensation details such as salary amount and frequency, additional earnings like bonuses or commissions. You also need to set up an employee benefits such as health insurance or retirement plans, and deductions like 401k contribution or garnishments. Gusto will help you onboard your employees by sending them invitations to complete their personal information and tax forms online. Additionally, you can add contract-based staff if there are any available. Now after this, you need to set up your payroll by adding your tax and bank details. You need to provide your federal EIN, and also you need to add your business state registration details. After that, you need to add your bank details. Note that tax, wages, and other monthly fees will be deducted directly from your account only when you complete the first payroll. Lastly, add your company bank account from where salaries will be paid into employees' account. Next will be processing and confirming payroll. Select the Run Payroll option to go to different payroll options. Next, click on Run Regular Payroll to review the earnings of your employees and necessary taxes. You will also be able to add PTO options and other charges and salary increases that weren't included earlier. Next, click Submit Payroll after reviewing and confirming payments. You can get a summary of recent payrolls and print out a report if you want to. So there you have it, guys. This is how you can set up a Gusto payroll account. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.